Hawks are back with another adventure. We're about to head out to the Alpine Elk Refuge for a quick little afternoon visit. Show you what it's all about, see who's there, what's going on, and then yeah, I wanted to do an outdoors video because the last two haven't been outdoors, and I, during Keck outdoors, so gotta keep it real. But let's get to it. See, we made it here. You can see all the elk over here. I got the spotting scope. The sun is somewhat going down, so we'll kind of peruse and we'll see what kind of elk, see if there's any big bulls mixed in there, see if there's any, what they're doing. They're kind of getting all laid down. It's getting cold, so not going to be super long, but we'll jump to the spotting scope. Alrighty, we just got the spotting scope all set up. I haven't really looked them all over, but first one gets set up on this big boy. Oh, that lady's got a collar right above him, or like some rope around her neck. Oh, there's like a blue scarfed one too. The few that we've driven by, like a lot of them do have like these scarves, those like blue, because it doesn't look like radio, but don't mind my shaky movements. This is zoomed all the way out on my spotting scope. They are like pretty close. A lot of cars in the background. Little spiky finch. Man, they gotta be so freaking cold. Kind of cool to see him all sleeping. Super cool to see these guys. Oh, look at that guy. Looks like he's got a broken antler. That guy right in the middle of the screen. Oh, there's another big guy. He's big. It's got to be one of the bosses. Little satellite guy. All on the outside. So many cows. So again, this is the Alpine Elk Refuge. I know of two other. There's the Feather Creek up near Jackson and Hoback, and then there's the Jackson Hole Elk Refuge, which is super cool. If you guys have never done that, they do like sleigh rides through the there's another nice one, through all the elk, where they kind of feed them, so it's super fun. Let's see. Oh man, that's a nice bull right there. Sorry, my spine scope's all off, but oofty. He's a dandy, that's for sure. But wow, these guys. Oh, there's another. Oh, he's a nice one too. I mean, I don't have super high standards. I'm not some guys shoot super big elk. And I've not shot one that big yet, but he is a pretty elk. And let me see what's going on over here. So this is kind of where they feed them. I'll leave the address in the description for anyone that wants to come out here and check them out, because definitely super cool little experience. Come see the elk, bring your kids out. You just pull up right alongside the road and you can look at them, and there's an absolute ton. Yeah. All right, guys, there's Knox. He's a little chilly. Like I said, you know, this is just, you just pull up along here. They actually feed them on the other side of that barn, and then I think the elk just like to hang out. It might be a little warmer, or I don't know. It's freezing right now. It's probably less than 5 degrees. And these guys are just hanging out, and I, you know, showed you guys what I saw in the spotting scope. Hopefully this traffic hasn't been too loud the whole video, but you know, just want to share this treasure with all the outdoor people that, you know, there's elk we can go look at on this time off. So hope you guys appreciate it, and I'll catch you on the next video. As always, stay good, stay healthy, and like and subscribe. Okay? See you next time.